Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you a video about the process we use to finish up after an installation. So we've just installed these vinyl stair treads. This homeowner chose to do a painted wood riser that you can see there in the white. And so as you can see here, I am just going through the process of adding caulking to the side of the stairs after the installation. We find that this gives a really great finish to the staircase and makes cleaning a lot easier after the fact. So we are just using a home caulking, and you can see this is the one that we particularly like to use with the process. You can see I'm just applying the caulking along the stringer on the left-hand side. A lot of people are quite tempted to, especially when you have the white risers, continue all the way across the stair where the tread meets the riser, but you do not want to do that, as there is some flux when people are walking on the stairs. You should not be caulking those areas. We're just going along the stringers there. The actual process involves, again, as I said, using the caulking gun to fill it in. And then I use this device right here. It's basically like a little squeegee, and you can get them in all different angles. I use the 90-degree side to then just peel away all of the excess caulking. You can see I like to just put it on a piece of vinyl here when I'm not interrupted, to get most of it away. And then this particular vinyl had a lot of graining to it, and so there would be caulking left along the side where I do the squeegee. So then I use the wet sponge along there. So this is an overhead view of the other side, and you're going to see a little bit better the technique that I've used along here. So I'm using the squeegee here. Sorry, my arm's kind of in the way. It gets off the majority of it, but you're going to see along here, especially when I do this bottom one, that excess that I'm talking about, and the reason for using the sponge and the towel after the fact. So get that top cleaned up. You can see here I'm going to use my squeegee. This tool is the absolute best thing I've found. I absolutely love working with it. It makes it a lot quicker. But you can see here with that texture, that extra little bit of white from the caulking that was going out onto the vinyl. So the water on the sponge is going to help pull that out, and then I just use the towel to take it away. And again, following that same process there to finish it up. So this is obviously sped up, but this set of 4 stairs took me about 10 to 15 minutes. So it is a fairly quick process, and it really does make a huge difference on your overall end results. So I will show you a kind of a before and after here, right here. Obviously the colors look different. This is also a really good reminder with your vinyl. On the left, we were working in the daytime. They had a skylight. It was super sunny. And on the right is when we were just finishing up, and you can see huge difference in the look of that coloring of that vinyl. So always make sure you bring your vinyl home and look at it and all the different lighting that you have in the property before you make your decision. But back to the caulking, you could see on the left-hand side, there's just some more of that shadowing, some more of that gapping. And on the right-hand side with the caulking, it's just a far more finished look. It is subtle, but it does make the world of difference. And it is really important to us that our finished product look flawless like that. So here is the overview of the rest of the stairs. Obviously, this job was more than just the ones that I showed you, and this is when we were all done with all of the caulking in place. They are putting the trim back on, but we have finished the stairs there. Please, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. Have a good one.